Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Harita. Today we are learning how to make turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. So the ingredients you need: fresh turmeric root, so this is dry turmeric powder. So you can use dry turmeric powder always when you don't have available fresh turmeric root. And we need freshly grounded black pepper powder. And we need some clarified butter, or you can even use coconut. Organic coconut oil works very well. And we need 1 cup of milk. So this milk you can substitute with like dairy free milk. You can use dairy free milk like oat milk, soy milk, coconut milk, almond milk. Anything works very well. So first we have to peel off the turmeric. So the active ingredient in turmeric root is known as curcumin. Now grate the turmeric root into a fine paste. So now take one saucepan and add milk and turmeric root. I just missed that recording clip. I'm sorry. So the next step you have to add crushed black pepper powder. Now turn on the stove and keep the heat in low medium and start boiling the milk. You just have to boil the milk. You don't need to boil too long. You just have to bring it to a boil. It just takes like 4 to 5 minutes. So just give it a nice mix. So now we can see the milk is ready. You just turn off the stove now. And let it sit for few minutes until it reaches the room temperature. You should not add the honey while it was too hot. The milk should reach to the room temperature before adding the honey. So now serve it in a serving cup and add some honey. Here I am using raw honey. You can use any kind of sweetener. You can substitute with palm sugar or brown sugar, anything. So now mix it very well and now add half a tablespoon of ghee or coconut oil and mix it again well. So turmeric milk is an ancient Ayurvedic remedy used from long time in India. So the turmeric milk is loaded with antioxidants, and turmeric milk is also having the properties of antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral. So turmeric milk is very good for cold, cough and sore throat. If taken turmeric milk every day, it boosts your immunity and helps to fight with all kind of virus. And it glows your skin, and it also helps to sleep very better. Before going to bed every day, take 1 cup of turmeric milk and sleep better. And it helps to lose your weight. You can use turmeric water or turmeric tea, or you can top your salads with organic turmeric powder for getting all the benefits out of turmeric. So guys, try to include this wonderful remedy into your diet and enjoy all the benefits from the turmeric milk. So if you like my video, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit the like button. I will see you next time. Bye bye.